Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can register your business, sign up for free on Terminal Africa. It's very simple and it will only take a couple of minutes. So what you want to do is come onto our website www.terminal.africa, and you want to click one of these buttons, either join for free or sign up for free. Both will take you to the same place. Now once you get here, what you want to do is fill out this online form with all your personal or company information. So I'm just going to do that now. Also pick what kind of business I am, what kind of industry, depending on the industry you're in. I'll just go with media company for now, and then I'll also add my first name, my last name, and also my email address. Then also my phone number as well. Make sure that these are valid because they would definitely come in handy when you're arranging deliveries. If we need to contact you, if the courier company needs to contact you. Then select your country, your state, and then also choose a password. Now remember, with the password, it has to have a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. So an example would be something like this. So as you can see, uppercase, lowercase, number, special character. Another one could be same thing, upper, lower, special character, number. But yeah, once you do that, you want to select also how you found out about Terminal, friends, or word of mouth, email, social media, whichever it is. And then yeah, if you have a referral code from a friend or someone who referred you to Terminal, you can enter it here so they can get some benefits. And if not, you can just skip it and click the captcha, and yeah, finally create your business. Oh, okay, so the phone number I used is already being used, so I'm just going to change that. Make sure yours is valid though. And yep, just going to figure out the captcha here, and yep, that's it. It's all set up and I'm ready to go. So once you do that, yeah, you would get an email for you to verify your account, and immediately you do that, you can literally start shipping. But yeah, that's it folks.